Hey guys, this is Hiren Desai from the study zone. Let us recall yesterday's puzzle. The question was to carry 3000 mangoes from mango farm to mango market through a small lorry. A lorry is having a limitation of carrying at max 1000 mangoes at a time. There is an expense of 1 mango per every kilometer a lorry travels in either direction. Now the question was to find maximum number of mangoes that can be transported to the market. Now let us understand its solution. Suppose this is mango farm and this is mango market. If we go straight from mango farm to the mango market, the number of mangoes reaching to the market will be 0. Naturally, this is not an acceptable solution. So we have to think in a different way. It means we can't go straight from farm to market. We have to make short trips. Remember, this puzzle is based on optimization. It means we have to utilize maximum capacity of lorry. Suppose we are taking stop at any point P. To utilize lorry at a maximum extent, number of mangoes at point P must be 1000 or multiple of 1000, which is 2000. So let it be 2000. So we can have one more stop. Let it be at Q. So number of mangoes at point Q will be 1000. Total number of mangoes at mango farm is 3000. Now to carry this 3000 mangoes from mango farm to point P, we have to make 3 forward journey and 2 backward journey. Suppose this journey is of X, then total tax will be 5x and number of mangoes reduce to be 1000 only. It means X is 200. So the first stop will be at 200 kilometer. Same way, for a journey from P to Q, there will be 2 forward journey and 1 backward journey. Let this distance be y. So here 3y will be 2000 minus 1000, that is 1000. Y is the number of mangoes, that will be a whole number. It means it will be a 333. It means now we have to carry 1000 mangoes from Q to the market. Total distance covered so far was 1000 minus X minus Y, that is 1000 minus 200 minus 333, that will be 467. So now we carry 1000 mangoes from Q to the market. Total expense will be 463 mangoes. So number of mangoes reaching to the market will be 1000 minus 467. That comes to 533. So the answer is 533. That's it for today. Tomorrow I will come up with one more interesting puzzle. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much, everybody.